Manual document creation slows teams down and creates risk. Copying templates, pulling data from multiple systems, ensuring compliance, it adds up. But what if you could automate all of it through a simple chat? Templafy brings powerful document automation directly into Copilot. Start a chat in any Office app, and Templafy delivers the right template based on your needs. Answer a few quick questions, and Templafy's engine pulls content and data from your CRM, content libraries, and preferred AI models, assembling everything into one complete document. Every output follows your brand guidelines and compliance requirements every single time. With Templafy, the productivity of AI meets the precision of automation, so every document is consistent, compliant, and ready to use. Your team gets automated workflows right inside Microsoft 365. AI-powered productivity for professionals.